Get Your Kids Back Now. This show is dedicated to keeping families together and to fighting the tyranny of CPS and DCFS social workers. A secondary purpose of the show is to educate parents and relatives, or to at least show them where to get the necessary information for their fight. The final purpose of the show is to remind the people that change can be effectuated at the ballot box, at the state and federal levels. Let us unite, vote, and elect those who will make the necessary changes. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about some trial strategies and talking about how you might possibly want to strategize with your attorney and get try to win these cases. I'm going to give you an example of a case that I'm doing right now. The trial is set in a few weeks, but it's important that you meet with your client, you meet with your attorney for those trial strategy sessions. So in this particular trial, I've met with my client already 3 times, and in the next 2 weeks, we're going to be meeting about 3 more times to talk about trial strategy. So here's the basics. There's something that I have in my office that we call the trial uniform. And it's important because the people making these decisions, usually the judges and the commissioners and the referees of the juvenile court, they're human beings, and they react to other human beings the same way we react. So don't come to court in shorts, t-shirt, and flip-flops. It's not going to make a good impression. And when people make decisions in their subconscious mind and in their conscious mind, they take a look at how you look when making those calls. I know there are some people that tell me, oh, that shouldn't matter. Well, you're right, it shouldn't matter in a perfect world, but we don't live in a perfect world, and judges are human beings just like we are human beings. Now, the trial uniform for men is a dark blue or dark gray suit. Dark blue or dark gray. White shirt. And if it's in the morning, I like them to wear those presidential blue ties. You know, a solid color tie, but you know, that light blue solid color. You know, the kind that you see the politicians wear on the news. There is a reason why they wear that color shirt and tie and suit. And it has to do with influence of the viewers, influence of the people who are listening to you speak. There's something that happens in the subconscious mind with that color combination, so you want to get every benefit of the doubt. Of course, black shoes shined, and I also suggest, sometimes required depending on the case, all of my male clients to be clean shaven. No beards, no mustaches, no goatees. It gives an edge to you. You have, psychologically, they say, you have more credibility when you're clean shaven. And of course, haircut, and you look neat and clean. For women, there is also a trial uniform. The trial uniform is similar to the men's uniform, and it is a dark blue or dark gray pantsuit with a white blouse. Now, I always recommend that they wear very simple and plain jewelry. And what I recommend is that it's a pearl necklace or a fake pearl necklace and the stud pearl earrings. And they don't have to be real. You can get them at Target or JCPenney's or just about anywhere, for $29.99 or $39.99. So that's the women's uniform. Oh, and the heels for women, about 1 to 2 inches. We're not going to the club, so we're not going to wear really high heels. And on the women, it's going to be very little makeup and hair pulled back in a ponytail outside of the face. We want to give the judge a clear view of the face, an unobstructed view, so that he or she can see the credibility when you speak and when you talk. Now that's the trial uniform.